Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT Tech Away Tech Everything, and today I'm gonna unbox and review this Xiaomi Mijia Hygrometer 2. The reason I mixed these two unboxing and review together in one video is because this device is very simple. There is nothing much to talk about it, so I'm just gonna show you everything in one video will do. Without further ado, let's get started the unboxing procedure. Okay. So there's one tape on the top, very simple, just cut it through. Let me unbox it in the fastest way. The box itself is very small. This is a very small device. The product itself, okay, the hygrometer, and what is this? A tape. Stick it to the wall here so that you can see the temperature and the humidity. Yeah. And what else? You get the menu guide, but it's in simplified Chinese. Okay, I can read it, but I know you guys cannot. So basically it's very simple. I teach you how to use the stuff and the sticker thing, the tape. Stick it at the back and then you can stick it on the wall, and that's it. Some simple things. And what else? Okay, so that's it. There's nothing inside except these three things. Hygrometer means you can detect temperature and humidity at the same time, so pretty useful. Okay, there's a tape over here. I believe there's a battery inside, so you just have to pull it off and we start activate this product. Okay, yep, you can see it now. Right now it's 30.7 degrees Celsius and the humidity is 70%. Damn hot. I'm in Malaysia, so of course Malaysia is always either sunny day or rainy day. That's it. Okay, so as you can see, there's two sensors, one's on top and one's on the side, detecting the humidity and the temperature. Let me open the bag just to show you what battery they are using it. Pretty tight.
That's what she said.
Okay, you just have to follow to the side and then use your finger to crank it up. Yeah, follow the line, just go straight and then you take it out. Oh,
almost there.
Okay, they're using a lithium battery, CR2032. It's pretty common battery used in a watch, alarm clock, some remote control, and etc. So it won't be a problem if this battery is dead. You can quickly buy one. Yeah, there are some seller, when they sell this online, some seller won't include the battery inside. So you have to ask your seller, make sure that they include the battery inside, because some they might not do it. Make sure you confirm first before you buy. Just keep in mind. So right now I'm gonna put it back. So let's look at the device. The width and the height is 43 mm, both the same, and the thickness is 12.5 millimeters, and it weighs at 21 grams. So pretty light, small device. 1.5 inch LCD display. It is not an e-ink display. The display, I would say, is not very good. You can only read it from this angle, like front facing it. You cannot read it at the side. If without any lights you cannot, but right now with some lights you can see it in this angle. But if you turn it this side, there's no light here, you can't see it. Up and down, it's the same thing. So I wish that they can put like at least a backlight, maybe a button that I can press and it will light up, make it more visible, more readable. But consider with the price tag is only like 10 ringgit to 15 ringgit, they need to cut costs, and the display is where they cut costs. The design and the quality itself it doesn't feel cheap at all. Under normal condition you can read it. If without sufficient light or too bright, you can't read it at all. It has has a Bluetooth 4.2 low efficiency. Temperature monitor range is from 0 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Humidity monitor range is 0% to 99% RH. The temperature display resolution at 0.1 degrees Celsius. And the humidity display resolution is 1% RH. So in order to change settings, experience the full feature, I suggest you to download their app, Xiaomi Home, this green stuff, and turn on your Bluetooth. Go to the plus button, click, and here you can find your device. Should be around, okay. So it's under air treatment, temperature, humidity sensor. So right now I'm using this. So as you can see, it found my device. So click, keep your phone close to the device to establish Bluetooth connection. So right now it's very close to me, right beside me. Okay. Make sure Bluetooth is on and bring phone closer to the device. Yeah, right now doing the verification. Okay. Okay, done. Device added. So you click done. What room? Bedroom. And next. I'm just gonna leave it there, the default name. Next. Okay, added successfully. So right now it's connecting to the device. Okay, done. As you can see, right now it's 31 degrees Celsius and humidity 69. Pretty straightforward. Just show you what's the temperature and the humidity. That's it. It's a very simple device. One thing I almost forgot to tell you guys, you also can click this button, the 3 dots, to activate baby mode or change it from degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. And you can change your name, device name, location, share the device, firmware update, and etc. If your humidity is like very low, it will show like a happy emoji. Pretty cute, a little touch. Yeah, that's about it guys. It's a very simple device. Just a simple unboxing, setup and review of this Xiaomi Mijia Hygrometer 2. Thanks for watching guys. Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Share it to your friends and family, comment down in the comment section below. Donate to my PayPal account if you can. And I will see you in the next video guys. Goodbye.